Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this series, and today we are going to learn about Bezier curve. We have a problem question here. In this question we are given with 5 control points and we have to draw the tangent vectors at its beginning and its end. So we will first write the points in terms of x and y coordinates. We will first write the x coordinates. Now we will write the y coordinates. So now we will draw the control points and we will use the plot function here. And we will draw the control points in blue dash lines. I'm putting x is equal and hold on here. Now we will run the section. And we can see the control points in blue dash lines. I'm just looking for some minor change here because I want to make the points in blue dot and also the dash lines in red color so that we can clearly observe the control points. Now we will run the section again. Yes, we have the control points in blue color and they are all connected by dash lines. But the points are too small to view, so we will increase the marker size. Now we will run it again. And now we can clearly see them. So we have to draw a Bezier curve. And we will only need to assign the parameter variable because we don't need any polynomial equation here. And for a Bezier curve, the parameter always goes from 0 to 1. So we will make t1 0 and t2 1. And since we have 5 points, so that means our degree is 4. That is n minus 1, the number of control points. And we will set the parametric equations x and y to 0. It's quite important. To draw the Bezier curve, we will use the for loop because we need to evaluate the values of x and y. And we will use Bernstein polynomial here. Make sure you remember it because it's quite important for these types of questions. You must remember it by heart because it's quite important to solve these questions. Now we will write the equation x. We are actually summing the weighted control points. I will just quote it here. I forgot to do it earlier. This was for equation x and we will do the same for equation y. Replace x with the y and px with the py. And now we'll end the loop. Now we can draw the curve. And we will choose function plot here. X and y, and our parameter goes from t1 to t2, and we will give it a green color and line width of 2. Now we will need to make hold on here and we will run the section. So here we can see our Bezier curve in green color. I hope you guys know the Bezier curve is such a curve that goes from first and the last control points. Now we will draw a vector at beginning. For this we will need to evaluate the vector positioning. Since I have to draw the vector at beginning, so I will subtract it from the neighboring coordinate. So px1 minus px2, and same for the y coordinate. and we will use quiver function to draw the vector. Since we are drawing the vector at beginning, so it will be the first coordinate. And we will use the calculated vector positions v1x and v1y. And I will give it the black color and put hold on here. Now we will run the section. We have the vector at the beginning of the curve, and we need to draw another vector at the end. For this, we will just need to copy this segment of code, and we will make hold off here because our question is already completed. And for the last point, we need to subtract it from the neighboring coordinate. The last control point is 5, so we'll subtract it from 4, px5 minus px4, and same for py5 minus py4. And we will use the quiver function again. Just change it from first coordinate to last coordinate, and here v1x to v2x and v2y, giving it some different color. And we will just run the section, and we have both of our vectors. That's all for this question, and I am putting the GitHub link for all of these questions in our series in the description. If you want solved exercises for these questions, you can just check out the description section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.